we're going to look at a powerful technique which helps us call the bottom of a market. So I'm short Tesco, and the price has been falling. So this is a 5-year chart, and we keep finding lower highs and lower lows. It's just down, down, down. And it's also appearing regularly on our winners and losers, the shares that are moving the most in the FTSE 100. So when I was looking at what to trade post-Brexit, Tesco sprung to mind. But does it keep falling? I mean, at what level do I not feel comfortable? At what level do I look at the company and go, well, look, Tesco has been around for over or nearly 100 years, since it says here, founded 1919. It's an excellent company. I regularly shop there. The brand is good. And not so long ago, people were thinking that Tesco was going to expand globally, and wow, this is, even Buffett invested heavily into Tesco. They are, I think, we're leaders in online shopping, which I use. So, that's a powerful market to be doing very well in. So there's a lot of reasons that Tesco should be doing well. Of course they have excellent management, they know all the best practice and all that kind of stuff. So at worst, they should be average. They shouldn't be worth nothing. But how do I decide when enough is enough? When the market's lost track of itself and it's just going sell, sell, sell because the price has been falling. As a technical trader, if I'm just going, I'm going to short it because the trend is down, then I'll keep going sell, sell, sell. But I know at some point the price is going to be wrong. It's stupidly cheap. And the market should turn around. And that's happened in many, many companies over a long time. So what is this powerful technique? Well, it's obvious. So it's very robust. It's not some fancy, weird thing that when you hear you go, well, okay, if you tell me so, but I don't really believe it. It's price to book. And as always, all the links to the pages I'm looking at will be given in the description below the video, so you can look into them in greater depth yourself. But price to book is essentially, if I sell everything that Tesco has, the shops that it owns, the produce that it has, if I sell them all at their market rate, at what they are recorded as in the accounts, what do I get back? So, that's a concrete figure. So if it has shops which are worth millions in the market, then I can get those millions. I can sell all these things away, and that gives me a certain valuation. And if you look it up, all companies will have a price to book. So you can basically check to see, oh, this is crazily cheap. So unless I believe that Tesco is some kind of fad, some kind of .com-y type thing, which suddenly Emperor's New Clothes kind of phenomena where people go, oh, it's worth a lot because it's hot, it's fashionable. But then suddenly you get people realize that there was never any money in it. It didn't, like, what was the business? And it disappears. Or if it relied on, oil was going to be worth 150, then 200, and oil is, and then suddenly that bursts. So Tesco just sell groceries. They also do clothes and other things, but they are just retail. And shopping is going to continue. And you can say, oh, it'll be replaced by online. Well, Tesco are very strong online. So they are more competitive online than their competitors. So I'm happy that Tesco is not going to disappear. So we look up the price to book. And here it is. So the shares have gone up a little today, but yesterday they fell 4%. So, not a game changer of a move. Blah, blah, blah. I want price to book. There it is. Price to book 146.5. And the price is now 157. Yesterday it went as low as 155 and a bit, but so we're getting very near to price to book. Now, of course, they're post-Brexit, if the value of property and stuff falls, then the book value will fall. So it's not as if the price to book is set in stone. So if property falls, the price to book could fall, and prices could fall further. But it's just something to be aware of. So that's just what I wanted to look at today, and I was thinking of that as I was recording the video yesterday, because I didn't know the price to book off the top of my head, and that is something I was aware of and something that really I wanted to know. So that's price to book, and you can look that up for whatever company you're interested in, and it's handy during a crash because you can just pick out companies that you have confidence in and wait till they hit below price to book and snap them up. Remember to subscribe to be updated as new content is added. Thanks.